Salut, comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel C'est Français. In today's video, we are going to be studying French prepositions, les prépositions en français. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. Let's begin. A, which means to or at. De, offer from. Sur, on. Sous, under. Avec, with. Sans, without. Devant, in front of. Derrière, behind. Dehors, outside. Dedans, inside. Après, after. Avant, before. À gauche, to the left. À droite, to the right. Autour de, around. Parmi, among. Pendant, during. Depuis, since. Contre, against. Entre, between. Dans, in. En, in for feminine countries. Chez, at somebody's place. Sauf, except. Pour, for. Now, you must have seen that dans, en, a are somewhat related to each other. By that I mean the meaning in English is same. So in English it is only in, but in French we have 4 ways of saying. So let's look at the difference between all the 4 of them. So, dans is used normally as we use in English. For example, I am in the class. Je suis dans la classe. A is used for cities. So if you want to say that you are in a particular city, you will use the preposition a. For example, we are in London. Nous sommes à Londres. O is used for masculine countries, whereas en is used for feminine countries. Now you must be wondering that why are countries masculine and feminine? So in French, yes, the countries are divided based on their genders. So some countries are masculine while some countries are feminine. So you are in Japan, vous êtes au Japon, which means that Japan is a masculine country. He is in Germany, il est en Allemagne, which means Allemagne is feminine country. Let's look at some examples. Je suis dans la classe. I am in the class. Jean est à Paris. John is in Paris. Catherine s'amuse avec ses amis. Catherine enjoys with her friends. Il va chez ses grands-parents. He goes at his grandparents' place. Le jardin est devant l'école. The garden is in front of the school. Le tableau est contre le mur. The blackboard is on the wall. Please let me know in the comment section if you can frame some sentences using the prepositions that I have used. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was useful in any ways, hit the like button. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos that I'll be posting in the future. Au revoir. Bye.